Went also measured the amount of the auxin on illuminated and dark half of the colloidal tip. It was found that the illuminated side 27% of the auxin and the dark side 57% of the auxin. The difference in concentration is perhaps due to migration of 7% oxygen from the illuminated to dark side, destruction of the 16% oxygen by illuminated side by light. 1931, Kogel and Huggins-Smith isolated the some 40 mg from the 33 gallons of the human urine and named it as auxin A. 1934, Kogel, X11 and Huggins-Smith isolated a new compound, the carnation oil, named it as auxin B. In 1934, Kogel, Ensleben and Huggins-Smith isolated another substance from the human urine, named it as a heteroauxin, chemically identified as a indole 3 acetic acid. This is naturally occurred. Auxins are categorized into two groups, natural auxins and synthetic auxins. The highest concentration of auxins occurs in the meristems. The auxin movement is very slow, say 1 centimeter per hour, but it may become as high as 2.6 centimeters per hour. According to Darwin and Went, etc., the movement of auxins is polar and basipetal. In coleus, however, basipetal to acropetal transportation of auxin occurs in ratio of 3.1. Natural auxins: indole 3 butyric acid, indole 3 propionic acid, indole 3 acetic acid, indole 3 acetaldehyde, 4-chloro-indole acetic acid. Synthetic auxins: 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, naphthalene acetic acid, anti-auxins which inhibit the auxin activity, tridobenzoic acid, p-chlorophenox isobutyric acid. The physiological effects of auxins in plants are as follows. Root initiation. Auxins are used to induce the formation of the roots on stem cuttings. Initiation of lateral adventitious roots also. NAA and 2,4-D are often employed for the inducing the flowering in lychee and pineapple. Application of auxin to unpollinated pistil make them to develop seedless fruits or parthenocarp. Stigma of parthenocarpic plants produce high amount of auxin. IAA, IB are used to induce the parthenocarpy artificially. Naphthalene acetic acid auxin prevents the falling of many crops during the windy season. 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid is used as a herbicide. 2,4,5-trichlorophenoxyacetic acid became notorious during the Vietnam War as a component of a jungle foliant known as Agent Orange. When we happen to see the functions of auxins, it stimulates the elongation of cell in the shoot and promotes the cell enlargement. It is a phenomenon in which apical bud inhibits the growth of later buds. Apical bud accomplishes this by producing the auxins. It inhibits the growth of the lateral bud. Auxin initiates and promotes the cell division in vascular cambium. Auxin promotes the respiration rate also. When IAA is applied in a linoleic paste on the tip of the debladed petiole of the bean leaf, a swelling is formed over there. This is due to formation of callus, lead to the differentiation.